This is my potato plant right here, and it's about to grow flowers. There's a lot of mixed message about potato flowers, which we're gonna clear up real quick in this video. And should we prune or should we leave it? So welcome back to Green Tea Garden. There's a lot of confusion when potatoes are growing flowers. Some people said we should prune it off right away. Some people said we should leave it. And people believe that the plant is mature, or some people believe like the potatoes are fully grown. Now, in my experience, I'm gonna tell you right now, when the plant is growing flowers, it could mean the plant is mature. It could mean the plant is also under stress. Maybe the temperature, maybe hot and cold. It's too cold in the night, it's too hot in the day, it's very stressed out. Maybe you're not watering enough. Maybe it's getting attacked by bugs or pests and stuff, which could bring in a lot of stress to the plant and producing flowers. Normally, some people think when it's flower that the potato's ready. No, it's not ready. When the plant is all dried up, the leaves are brown, and the plant is kind of like, falling back, the end cycle, that's when the potato is ready. That's when you get full grown mature potatoes. You harvest your potatoes right now, you're gonna have tiny baby potatoes. Now, if we let the seeds to grow, the plant automatically focus all its energy and time towards this seed right here, and it's gonna grow into flowers, and it's gonna take a long time, but it's gonna produce seeds. You heard me right. It's gonna turn in like green tomato looking seed, and that you could save later on and regrow potatoes. You don't have to buy potatoes again. So the downside, it focuses so much energy for seeding that it's taking away energy and time from the potatoes. So if you're looking for a potato harvest, or you're looking to get big potatoes, you do want to prune it off. If you prune this off, the plant is not pushing energy upward, it actually pushing the energy downward, which we want. Simple, all you gotta do is snip it off. But your plant will grow more than one, so you got to make sure you come around and prune it all off, like topping your potato plants off. You're gonna have several, and then come back another 3-4 days and watch it. Maybe it'll produce another one, and you want to remove this very fast. You do not want to wait. It takes away energy, you lose time. Another thing you could do, if your plant has about over 40 leaves like this right here, you could actually cut off the top growing point right here, like this right here, like pinch the top off so the plant's not sending more energy there. And yes, the plant will continue growing, because if you look right here, the plant's gonna grow a lot of side shoots between, so it's gonna get more bushy. This is the bushy type. So you see that right there, right here. So what you could do too, you see that these side shoots, they do take away time from the plant. So if you have like 40 leaves here, example, you could remove these side shoots. These are taking away time and energy. I got more potatoes too, but you can see they do not have any flowers, so which means that plant was either stressed out or something. But not all potato plants variety will grow flowers. Some of them will not grow any flowers. Coming up, I'm going to show you how I prune this plant. This plant, you see all that yellow leaves on the bottom and stuff right there? That's no good right there. We're going to have to take care of that plant right there. Look how nice this is looking here. Hey, look, I had prune on the bottom, but we're going to have to prune more. It's so crowded and bushy in there, man. We need more airflow. That airflow is a big thing when it comes down to keeping your plant healthy. So another thing, when potatoes are growing their flower, their blossom, and they're growing that shape look like green tomatoes, you got to be careful with the kids and animals. Make sure nobody's eating them. They're very toxic. So that's another thing too. But if you want to get more seeds from your potato, you could always do it for fun, let it grow out and get a harvest and replant it. Or what you could do, let your potato plant grow out full, and you're gonna have your big potato harvest, and take one of those potatoes, put it in your pantry, and within a couple of weeks, that's gonna turn into seeded potatoes, and you could cut it up into pieces and have multiple plants at the same time. All right, and while you enjoy your harvest. So in my experience, if you see a potato growing flowers and you want to get a potato harvest, go ahead and remove the flowers right away. Top the potatoes off, especially when you get like 30-40 leaves going on there. That's enough to produce potatoes. You don't need a million leaves to produce the same amount of potatoes. You're only gonna have the same amount of potatoes from one plant. And the one thing is the size of the potatoes. If you harvest too early and you're not, your energies from the plant is focused in otherwhere beside the potatoes, you're gonna have small potatoes. A lot of people end up with small potatoes because the energy's flowing all over, growing too much side shoots, growing flowers, and not focusing on the potato itself. So any question, comment below. I'll love to answer your question. Also, check in the description box. I always leave links and stuff for like products and stuff to help out in garden, which I recommend. And please do click the red subscribe button followed by the bell icon. icon every time I upload a video. You guys will get it free. Thank you so much. And we got about 2-3 days of rain will be coming from today in Green Tea Garden here in Long Island, New York. When it's one day of rain, I love it. It's like, you know, it's a blessing. Everything is growing. The animals getting water. I love that. And then in 2 days, I'm like, all right, that's enough water. And then 3 days, I'm like, all right, I can't take this anymore. I'm freaking out. I'm losing my mind. I don't like to stay in my house for 3 days. I like to be outdoor. I'm an outdoor person, so, and I love my garden time too. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea. Have a awesome day.